टेक फ्री लाइव क्लासेस, बेबी कोड एप्लीकेशन पे जाओ, यहाँ लाइव आइल्स क्लासेस पर क्लिक करो, ज्वाइन नाउ पर क्लिक करो। जैसे ही आप ज्वाइन नाउ पर क्लिक करते हो, जूम ऑटोमेटिकली ओपन हो जाता है और आप डायरेक्ट लाइव क्लास को ज्वाइन कर सकते हो। हेलो, गुड मॉर्निंग।
Good morning, ma'am.
हाउ आर यू?
Fine, ma'am. What's about you?
आई एम गुड टू।
Nice.
ओके, सो डिड यू प्रैक्टिस्ड? करी क्यू कार्ड की
Yes, ma'am.
प्रैक्टिस आप सबने?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, व्हाट अबाउट मॉरिशियो? हाउ डिड यू प्रोनाउंस योर नेम?
Hi, ma'am.
यस,
Mauricio Vargas in Spanish.
मारिसियो।
Tell me, ma'am.
I'm asking about how do you pronounce your name?
Mauricio Vargas.
Mauricio.
Mauricio Vargas is
Okay.
my name. Yeah.
Okay. Very good morning, Kumar. Okay, so let's start. Till then, everybody is joining. Okay. So as I said कि हम session में सबसे पहले वो question करेंगे which Mohammed was telling. So Mohammed, that question was describe a job that is interesting for you, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now you have to help me in framing the ideas. Okay. Now what our task will be, हम कैसे करने वाले हैं इसको with a strategy. जो हमारी strategy क्या है? This one. ठीक है? Ready everyone? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Now I want you to think about something related to past. अब जॉब से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन है कि डिस्क्राइब अ जॉब दैट इज इंटरेस्टिंग फॉर यू, राइट? कोई भी ऐसी जॉब जो आपको लगता है कि ये मेरे लिए बहुत ज्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग है। अब पास्ट से रिलेटेड क्या बोल सकते हो इसमें? एनीथिंग, जस्ट थिंक अबाउट एनी आइडिया।
मैम, इसमें अगर प्रेजेंट भी है तो आप पास्ट में आंसर दे सकते हैं, इसका ये मतलब है।
सो पास्ट में आप क्या बोल सकते हो कि पास्ट में मैं ये इस टाइप की जॉब्स करता था, मैं इन जॉब्स में इंटरेस्टेड था, बट अब मैं कौन सी जॉब में इंटरेस्टेड हूँ? प्रेजेंट। वो आप प्रेजेंट में बोलोगे, बट पास्ट में क्या बोल सकते हो? थिंक अबाउट सम आइडियाज। I want you to
आई थिंक
generate ideas so that I can help you.
ओके मैम,
Hmm.
कैन आई टेक 30 seconds?
Yes, yes, definitely take your time. No hurry. Like, suppose I give you an example. In the past, I was always interested in jobs where I could communicate with people. Like, this is my story I'm telling you, where I could communicate with people and share knowledge. So, ये मेरा past experience था. At present, the job that I find more interesting is being an English teacher, especially an IELTS trainer, because right now I am teaching students to communicate properly, to improve their communication skills. So मैंने पास्ट का अपना एक्सपीरियंस बताया एंड आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट प्रेजेंट की अभी प्रेजेंट में क्या जॉब सिनेरियो, राइट? सो ऑलवेज टॉप, आप कोई भी टॉपिक आ जाए क्यू कार्ड का, यू कैन पिक एनी टॉपिक। जब तक सेशंस चल रहे हैं स्पीकिंग क्यू कार्ड के, आप कोई भी टॉपिक पिक करो एंड ट्राई टू फ्रेम पास्ट, प्रेजेंट, फ्यूचर एंड एग्जाम्पल। फिर भी अगर आपको कोई डाउट होता है, जस्ट टेक दैट क्यू कार्ड ड्यूरिंग द सेशन, लेट मी नो कि मैम इसमें कैसे हम क्रिएट कर सकते हैं आइडियाज। ओके?
ओके
सो
ओके मैम,
ट्राई इट।
कैन आई स्टार्ट?
यस यस, डेफिनेटली यू कैन।
इन द पास्ट आई वाज इंटरेस्टेड इन business management job. I had many skills in computer, so I can do well. But nowadays, I was interested in jobs like in fields which can help to grow new crops
Hmm.
which can beneficially important for a farmer, and they can also help to
Hmm.
economy in our country.
Hmm. Now, Mohammed, one thing about you is you have ideas, you can speak, but आपको किस चीज़ पे वर्क करना है? अपनी ग्रामर और अपनी फ्लुएंसी पे। जो आप हेजिटेट
Yes,
होते हो ना बोलते टाइम, जो आप पॉजेस लेते हो, उस पे वर्क करो। अपने कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल को थोड़ा हाई करो कि व्हाई आई नीड टू वरी व्हेन आई एम स्पीकिंग। सो मेक अ हैबिट कि दिन में अगर घर में कोई नहीं बोल रहा, आपको बोलनी है। यू शुड प्रैक्टिस एवरी डे कि मैं हर आंसर को इंग्लिश में ट्राई करूँ बोलने का, ताकि मेरा कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल हाई रहे। ओके।
yes, ma'am. Yes.
सो आई होप दिस क्यू कार्ड इज नाउ क्लियर टू एवरीवन। यस। ओके, सो वी विल डू अगेन द प्रैक्टिस। पूरे क्यू कार्ड की प्रैक्टिस करते हैं हम इसकी, ठीक है? ओके, आई एम गोना पिक
Okay.
Mauricio. Can you speak about the past part?
Ma'am, about my past experience.
Yes, the past experience of your job, like you were interested in. The topic is here on the screen. Can you see here?
Yes.
This is the
Um,
topic, and you need to talk about only the past.
okay.
Hmm.
Uh, I have been
Hmm.
project manager for uh, since 10 years ago,
Hmm.
working on with my own company. I
Hmm.
have a competitive partner, I would say,
Hmm.
and we have developed
Hmm.
some intriguing projects
Hmm.
on IT fields regarding public and private Colombian companies.
Hmm. Okay. There are some grammatical errors. Please work on that. Okay, next is Kumar. Kumar, can you speak for the present part?
Ma'am, I haven't any experience in any kind of job in this situation.
Uh,
What I
so what, Kumar, see, you may not experience something because there are few topics, or I would say there will be number of topics which you did not experience, but still you have to create a story. So you can talk about what is the present part going on. Like you heard what Muhammad said, what I said, what Mauricio said. Talk about
okay, ma'am.
something because you cannot be like remain silent in the exam.
Okay, then I'll try.
Yes, please.
Okay, at present, I
Hmm.
am interested in barista.
Hmm.
It's all about the drinks and how to make coffee.
Hmm.
And I work.
Hmm.
I want to work in this field because it helps me in my future days.
Hmm.
And I learned how to make coffee like americano, cappuccino, and coffee latte.
Hmm.
And I feel very happy to learn these skills.
Hmm. That's good. So you talked about that. See, so whatever is happening present with your job, or you can just create your story. है ना? हमारा कोई ना कोई गोल तो होता है कि हमें कोई ना कोई जॉब करनी है या हमने करी हो कभी। सो जस्ट टॉक अबाउट इट बिकॉज स्पीकिंग टेस्ट में यू कांट रिमेन साइलेंट। वो पॉसिबल नहीं है। ओके।
Okay, ma'am.
Do you all people get notified for our classes like before the session every day?
No, ma'am. Yesterday not happened and now do.
You did not get a notification that 9 o'clock
Yes,
we
ma'am.
have a class.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. Why is it so? I got a notification, but why not you people? Because I can see there are very few students joining the session today. It's 9:12. But you all know na, that we have class Monday to Friday.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Only on the public holidays and on the Saturday, Sunday, there will be no class. Remember, guys, always open up your application. Even if you don't get notified, you will be having a notification in the class section. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, no worries. Okay, now Rahul, give me an example for this.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
For example, I once worked on a small project where I use my data skill, just like use basic data collect and analyze, and after create a machine learning model to use solve real life problem. This experience make me more confidence and improve my skill.
Great. So, Sheila, any future plan about your job? Yes, Jyoti.
As I'm working as a quality inspector in near future, I would want to enhance my knowledge in this field. I'm planning to get any certification in food safety, and it will be helpful me to gain more experience and also to grab more opportunities in senior level.
It would help me, not helpful me. Okay? It would help me. So, suppose if I talk about my job, in the future, I would like to grow in this profession, teach more students globally, and help them achieve their dreams through English language. ठीक है, तो आपको उस जॉब के बारे में पास्ट रिलेटेड कुछ भी बोलना है. क्या लगता है आपको? लाइक आई सेड इन द पास्ट आई वाज ऑलवेज इंटरेस्टेड इन दिस टाइप ऑफ जॉब where I could communicate with people because I was in love with this thing कि हाँ मुझे बात करनी है and I need to share knowledge. Now at present, the job that I find most interesting is being an English teacher, especially an IELTS trainer. For example, now I help students overcome their fear of speaking English and watching their confidence improve step by step. So, whenever a student speaks fluently after a regular practice, it really gives me a great satisfaction, right? So, in the future, I always want to grow in this profession. So, I hope now it is easier for you, yes, to create ideas on the any topic. कोई भी topic आ जाए speaking का cue card, we will not get fear of it. We will speak about it. Past, present, example and future. कि कब वो start हुआ, कब वो हुआ, what is the situation right now, nowadays क्या चल रहा है, example कोई भी personal story, personal detail, फ्यूचर प्लान, फ्यूचर ओपिनियन, फ्यूचर लेसन, जो भी आपको बोला है फ्यूचरिस्टिक पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से यू कैन टॉक अबाउट इट. ओके, एक स्ट्रक्चर जब हम रखते हैं अपना, सो वी आर ऑल क्लियर विद द आइडियाज, हम कॉन्फिडेंट भी रहते हैं और हमारा आंसर भी फ्लुएंट रहता है. इससे कोई भी आपका रिपीटिशन नहीं आएगा आइडियाज में और आपको ये सोचना नहीं पड़ेगा कि अब मुझे क्या बोलना था, बिकॉज यू नो कि मैं पास्ट के बाद प्रेजेंट बोलूंगा, प्रेजेंट के बाद मैं एग्जाम्पल ऐड करूंगा एंड देन मैं फ्यूचर पर्सपेक्टिव बोलूंगा. सो इससे मेरे लिए 2 मिनट्स बोलना बहुत ईजी हो जाएगा. बिकॉज वॉट स्टूडेंट फेस इज कि हम 2 मिनट में बोले क्या मैम, क्या बोलना स्टार्ट करें, बिगनिंग कैसे करें और एंड कैसे करें. ओके, सो नाउ यू नीड नॉट टू लर्न एनीथिंग. आपको कुछ भी लर्न करने की नीड नहीं है, यहाँ पर कोई मेमोराइज स्टेटमेंट्स नहीं ऐड करने की नीड. क्लियर?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, ग्रेट. बट रिमेंबर, ये जो मैंने आपको वर्ड्स बताए हैं, लाइक यू कैन स्टार्ट विद इन द पास्ट, नाउ अ डेज, करंटली or at present. For instance, for your story, for an example, in the future. So you can use these as a connectors, right? Now let's talk about, as I said कि आज हम place and person based cue cards करेंगे.
Ma'am, I have a question.
Yes, Jyoti.
Like some teachers said that we have to firstly introduce our topic and in the end we have to conclude it. Is it
No, no,
compulsory or
no,
no?
ज्योति, देयर इज नो स्ट्रक्चर. ये कोई राइटिंग पार्ट नहीं है जिसमें हमें कंक्लूजन देना है या हमें इंट्रो देना है, ये वो नहीं होता. स्पीकिंग इज समथिंग वेयर एग्जामिनर एक्चुअली इवैल्यूएट्स whatever you think. जैसा मैंने बोला, आप एक की जगह दो जॉब भी बता सकते हो, वो भी कोई कंपल्शन नहीं है कि आपको अ जॉब है तो एक ही जॉब के बारे में बोलना है. दे आर एक्चुअली इवैल्यूएटिंग योर स्पीकिंग स्किल्स. और वो स्पीकिंग स्किल्स किस पे इवैल्यूएट होती है कि आपकी प्रोनाउंसिएशन कैसी है, आपका फ्लुएंसी और कोहेरेंस कैसा है, आप जो भी बोल रहे हो वो ग्रामेटिकली करेक्ट है कि नहीं, और आपने उसमें वोकैबुलरी कैसे ऐड करी है. राइट?
Okay. Yeah.
So
Thank you, ma'am.
there's no particular structure. कोई भी structure नहीं होता IELTS speaking के लिए. But why we provide you a structure this kind of is so that you can speak for 2 minutes and there should not be any repetition of ideas. Obviously बात है, अगर आप दो sentences को पूरे 2 मिनट बोलते जाओगे same sentences को, तो how examiner will evaluate you? That means there are no ideas, there are no expansion of your ideas, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Hmm. Okay, now let's talk about a person-based cue card first. ठीक है, I'm gonna give you one cue card topic. You all have to now create answers and you have to tell me. ठीक है? Now this is your cue card. Again, you have 1 minute to just generate your ideas for past, present, and future. First, think about. Good morning, GS. GS, are you there? GS, are you the same student which you were in the initial of the classes? The previous course? Okay, good to have my old students back. So where were you from last few days? And did you give the test? The IELTS exam? Okay, yes. Who would like to start first? Okay, GS, if you want to
Can
give the exam in the
can I, ma'am?
February, we have already done with the entire course. As you remember, this is the second course going on. So be regular in the classes, okay?
Can I, ma'am?
Okay. Yes,
Right.
Mohammed, please talk about past first.
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm.
In the past, my mother influenced me more rather than others. She was a housewife. She involved me on new skills which helped me to generating new habits or improving my skills to doing something. My mother also told me how to generate new ideas and developing new skills which can improve my skills to getting my achieve goal.
Hmm.
Nowadays, okay, that's it. Pass.
Hmm. Which are, right? आपने वो miss किया. And she is, not she was. ठीक है?
जी जी
Great. Okay, next one. Harpreet. Harpreet Nehal.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
No,
Please
sorry, ma'am.
talk.
I was late.
No problem. Please talk about the present part of this cue card topic.
For the influenced.
Describe a person who has influenced you. You have to talk about a present situation, what is happening now.
Uh, the influential person as my honor. So he is a very great person. He helped me uh, in every situation. If I am stuck in my in every paperwork, then he helped me as well. And then he also a good person. Um,
So at present, even though
yeah,
I'm not working, whosoever, he was your manager, what did you mention?
yeah. He is my honor.
Okay, yeah, exactly. So
Yeah.
even though I'm not working with him or I'm working with him, जैसा भी आपको बोलना है,
Yes, yeah. I'm
still,
working with him, and he
हाँ,
helped me in every situation, in
yes.
every,
He's
uh,
still guiding me in my
yeah,
day-to-day
guiding me.
life. I'm much more
Yeah,
confident while being,
confident.
yes.
Yes.
Okay. Okay,
Thank you.
next one. GS, are you able to speak? Okay, Kumar, please speak about the example part.
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm.
Mm, Okay. For example, a person that will influence me was my science my teacher. When I met him during my high school year
Hmm.
when I was struggling with science, and he helped me a lot to solve my problem.
Hmm.
And he was very supportive. And one of the special thing about him was he has a positive attitude, and his learning, his teaching style was very different. And but I still keep in touch with him through social media, and I often take advice from him.
Hmm.
That's it, ma'am.
Okay, intonation was like you want to speak more, but then you stop. Okay, Deep. Good morning, Deep. आज सब इतना लेट क्यों ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं? इट्स ऑलमोस्ट हाफ एन आवर. You did not receive any notification today about the class? Yes, everyone. Ranveer,
Yes, ma'am. Sorry
what
for late.
happened? Yeah, why did you join late today?
I go for a mock test, so that's why I came late.
Okay, but you know that you have a class at 9 o'clock now. So go for the mock test before or
Yeah,
after the session.
the test finish a little bit late, so that's why I think.
Now I want you to speak for future part, and the cue card topic is describe a person who has influenced you. Yes, Ranveer.
Can I try, ma'am?
Yes, Rahul.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
I talked about my best friend for influence me.
Hmm.
In the future, I want to carry forward the positive qualities. I have to learn many things from him, just like discipline, patience, do work hard. And also, I hope that your friendship will remain strong in the future.
Hmm. The hardworking attitude, right?
Okay. Okay.
Okay, great. Now, what I'll do, I'll be giving a cue card. Now, I want you to speak at least for two things. Like a same student will talk about past and present. Clear? Any
Clear, ma'am.
doubt in this one? Like a person who has influenced you? इस वाले में कोई doubt? You have to talk in a very natural tone. In the past, during my school days, I met a person or I met a teacher who influenced me deeply. That was my science teacher, as Kumar said. At present, I feel more confident because she taught me those skills. Yes. Who was that? Somebody was saying. Now see, remember, जब आपके पास ये question आता है ना, a person who has influenced you, you can talk about any of your family member, any of your teacher, any of your friend, because ये सारे क्या हैं? Person ही है, right? So you can talk about anybody here कि किस person ने आपको influence करा. Usually you will have only this type of question. कि a person who motivates you, a person who influence you, a person you admire. Okay, let us have this topic. The another topic is a person you admire for their profession. Yes. Now you have to talk about this. Take your time. अब आपको कौन से पर्सन की बात करनी है? उस पर्सन की जिसका प्रोफेशन आपको एडमायर करता है. Any ideas? Okay, let's have a discussion first. Any ideas? हम किसकी बात कर सकते हैं यहाँ पर?
इसमें मैम आई थिंक टीचर्स आ सकते हैं
Exactly. आप
या
टीचर्स की
डॉक्टर्स,
बात कर सकते हो, डॉक्टर्स की बात कर सकते हो. Yes. और किसी का भी प्रोफेशन.
फील्ड, यस,
जिसका प्रोफेशन आपको
फील्ड.
लगता है कि ये बहुत ही एडमायरिंग है, बहुत अच्छा इन्फ्लुएंस है. So you can talk about teacher, you can talk about doctor, you can talk about police officer. You need to create ideas. किसी business person की भी बात कर सकते हो, कोई business owner हो, क्योंकि obvious सी बात है जिसको businessman बनना है तो उसको business owner जो होगा वो बहुत ही ज्यादा admire करेगा. GS, you're looking for vocabs of person, place, traveling abroad. There's no specific one, but please go to our application. वहाँ पे तो vocabulary available है. Okay? Right now, I don't have any source here, but I will surely share it during the ends of the sessions, like during the speaking part 2 जब end होगा. Okay? So somebody who is in the engineering line, वो engineer के profession से भी admire होता है. Yes, ready everyone? Who will start first? Hemant?
क्या?
Hemant, Deep? Yes. Mohammed, you were saying, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Speak. Speak about the past and present both.
Okay, ma'am. In the past, I was admired by our teacher, which name is Muhammad Mushtaq.
Whose
He
name?
was a science teacher. He developed new skills in all the students. He taught well in all lectures. In present, I was impressed by business management, which business management owner, which name is Gulishan. He was a great business management person. He have all skills which are needed in their profession. He knows how to create or generate new thinking, and they also have a experience to describe anything which are needed in the business management.
Yes. Okay. Can you talk about example and future also?
Me, ma'am? Okay.
Yes.
Okay. For example, for instance, today I was also impressed by my friend's which name is Gulsher. He always had a good profession. He has a good professionalist in the economical skills. He shared all the communicating skills, like they can generate any ideas and they can start and earn money there's for future. I want to uh, continue with the communicating that friend, which helped me to developing new strategy and also knowing about the profession.
बस लास्ट वाले पार्ट में थोड़ा ज्यादा लाइक सेल्फ करेक्शन हो गया एंड पॉजेस भी.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes, you can use EDM phrases and collocation. It is very necessary if you are using, if your target is band 7 and above, you can. Yes, definitely. Okay, who's next? Yes, Jyoti, the same topic for you.
The person to whose a profession I admire is my brother. He's working as a police officer. He joined in the year 2019. Uh, at that time, he joined as a sub inspector. Now he is working as a DSP in Chandigarh Police. I really appreciate that he joined this profession because in this way he can provide safety to the public. And recently he helped someone uh, in order to get help. So for example, there was a road accident and someone was suffered in that accident, so he helped them and to reach at the hospital in time and save their life. So in future I also like to motivate others to join this profession because it's a good and it's a very respectful also.
Not suffered, injured, right? So you can say, for instance, during a local dispute, he handled the situation calmly, right? Which impressed me a lot. He's actively serving the society, maintaining the law and order. So I hope to develop such discipline and responsibility. I admire him because his profession demands the courage and honesty also, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now next one. Who would like to speak now? Who thinks that now I have good ideas, I can speak about this topic? Yes, please tell me.
Yes, ma'am. Can I try?
Yes, yes, come on.
In the past, I admired many successful peoples, but one person who truly inspired me is my best friend. He was a data scientist at the time, and I also want to become a data scientist. So this person to inspire me. He was very curiosity about your career and always disciplined and focused on your future goals. These things also inspired me. At the present, he was working a data scientist in a company. He extremely disciplined, consistency, and work hard in your professional for future growth. For example, I see many things just like he working late nights and do work to achieve your project at the time. And also always it's he say me do work hard, patience and disciplines is the key role to achieve anything in the future. In the future, I want to adopt the same professional attitude as him, and I hope to become equally dedicated and skilled in all my career goals.
ग्रामेटिकल एरर्स है बहुत सारे. ही इज क्यूरियस और
Yes,
ही
ma'am.
हैज क्यूरासिटी. सो ये वाले एरर्स.
Ma'am,
डेडिकेटेड, डेडिकेट नहीं, डेडिकेटेड, राइट?
sometime ma'am, I am nervous, then I fail.
सो व्हेन यू बीइंग नर्वस, आपके ग्रामेटिकल एरर्स ज्यादा हो जाता है.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now let's talk about one more person-based cue card, which is a person who influenced you, a famous person. You have to talk about a famous person who influenced you. Again, generate your ideas. Quickly think about famous person. देखो, कोई भी famous person की बात करनी है. कब उसने स्टार्ट करा? When did it start? What is happening right now? Are you still influenced with that person? फिर कोई एक example and then a future point. So first decide वो कौन सा person है, the famous person. क्या impact है उनका आपके ऊपर? Future point of view से, past, present, example. तो हम यहाँ पे कौन कौन से पर्सन की बात कर सकते हैं? Tell me.
Ma'am, like any celebrity or any
Yes, you can talk about celebrity here.
okay,
Any political,
any
like politicians
any
also.
political okay.
Any cricketers, any singers. They are all famous persons. So any celebrity, right?
Um, let me think for now.
Go ahead.
Okay, ma'am, can I speak now?
Yes, Harpreet, go ahead.
Okay, so my favorite person, the famous person is Daljit Dosanjh. So, in a past time, he was at his uncle's house. He was learning and he learned many things from his uncle in mama's house, and then after that he became a singer in 2009, and then after that uh, uh, now he is a very good singer and also famous on the whole world, and then he is getting more chance to in a future in a films, sorry, in a films, or also he's a become a good
Talk
singer
about
and become a
past.
good
First
actor.
thing is you have to talk about past. My admiration for Diljit Dosanjh started a few years ago or few months back when I began listening to Punjabi songs
Yes.
and later watched his movies or his interview. Presently, like at present, he's not just a successful singer but also a popular actor
Actor.
who represents his Punjabi culture even on the international platforms. Even now, his confidence, his positive attitude continue to inspire me. For instance, I watched his interviews. I
Interviews.
notice how proudly he speaks Punjabi and stay
Yes.
grounded also. That made me feel confident about my own language, culture, identity. In the future, I want to adopt his self confidence and humble nature in my life. I believe he is important because he proves that with talent and self belief, a person can achieve his goal or can achieve a global success.
Yes.
राइट सो आप पास्ट बताओ कि कब उसने आपको इन्फ्लुएंस करना स्टार्ट करा. टॉक अबाउट अ पास्ट. प्रेजेंट में वो क्या करता है. टॉक अबाउट हिम, योर स्टोरी, गिव एन एग्जाम्पल एंड द फ्यूचर.
Okay. Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am.
No
Thank
problem.
you.
Anybody else who would like to answer this question? A famous person who influenced you?
Can I, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. In the past, I was influenced by Lama Iqbal. He was a national poet. He had written many poems, ghazal, and some anthems. Its anthem is also used for the competitions and choosing of anthem for India. Uh, Nowadays, I Nowadays, I am also impressed by A.B. de Villiers. He is a cricketer player. He called a 360 batsman. He scored well in all matches. He inspired me because they have ability to do all things. For example, in IPL, he scored many times when the all other batsmen are not able to getting or reaching their goals, but they can develop and they can started with the strategy to play hard or achieve their goals. In future, want to become a cricketer, so I was admire a bit Villiers, and I also try to keep thinking and keep learning from him, which helped me to developing new skills.
So I want to develop such determination and confidence which these cricketers have, right?
Yes,
Okay, great.
yes.
Now let's talk about a place-based cue card. ठीक है, अभी हमने person-based cue card करे. अब आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम किसी भी पर्सन से कोई भी रिलेटेड क्यू कार्ड आ जाए, then you can create your story, you can generate your ideas and you can speak about it. Now for a place, अगर place related कोई भी क्यू कार्ड आता है आपके पास, describe a place you like to visit. You should say, where is it? Now, I never read this because
Be-
I know that I can generate ideas by reading only the heading of the cue card. So, आपको वो place बताना है which you like to visit. Now, what you can talk about it? Yes.
Ma'am, I think that places which are comfortable are
Any.
which we are never seen before.
Yes, you can talk about पहले past की बात करो, then present की. कि at present, which type of places you like? Harpreet, I want to listen from you, so please generate your ideas, okay? Okay, Kumar, can you try this?
For past or present or
No,
whole question?
all. Start with all. Past, present, example, and future.
Then I want to prepare it.
Okay. Okay, let me give you an example. Like suppose I take an example of Goa. The place I really like to visit is Goa. My interest in this place started a few months or a few years ago when I first traveled with my friends during a short vacation. Now, at present, even now, Goa remains my favorite getaway. Whenever I feel stressed or tired, I think about its beaches, relaxed atmosphere and the lively culture. Because आप एक vacation की, एक place की बात कर रहे हो. For example, during my last visit, I spent evenings walking along the beach, watching the sunset, and trying the local seafood. Listening to live music as well. Those simple moments made me feel calm, happy, and completely refreshed. In the future, I would like to visit Goa again, possibly with my family and explore quieter beaches and heritage places also. I really love this place because it offers both peace and enjoyment, which makes it perfect for relaxation and recharging. So talk about past कि कब आपने वो place आपको अच्छा लगने लगा and you love to visit, you like to visit there. Talk about the present situation, example and future. Right? Okay, who would like to start first? Hemant?
Ma'am,
Yes, Kumar.
I can talk a previous visiting place in the past.
Talk about
Like,
any place you like to visit. Anyway,
But
जैसे
in the
आपको बोलना है, you can talk about it. It's okay.
Okay.
Hmm.
One place that I would like to visit was Pokhara. It was located in Kaski, and it was in Gandaki province of Nepal. And I would like to visit this place because it was tourist attraction place of Nepal, and this was a very beautiful place. It was especially famous for hiking and rafting, boating. There is so many people came to visit every year, and I would like to visit in the future with my family, and because it was a very
Mm-hmm. Because it gives me peace, positivity, and a strong connection with the nature. So
okay.
this Pokhara in Nepal is in the like Fewa Lake?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, got it. So now the place I really like to visit is Pokhara in Nepal. My interest in this place started when I was in my childhood or during जो भी आपकी एज ग्रुप थी जो भी आपका टाइम पीरियड था. Hello, am I audible to all? I'm so sorry. Yes. So we were talking about Pokhara. Am I audible to all now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So talk about the past. It started a few months back when I saw the pictures of lakes, mountains, and the beautiful or the peaceful surroundings. Even now, Pokhara attracts me a lot because of its calm atmosphere, the natural beauty. Whenever I feel stressed, I imagine the view of mountains and the quiet lake. For instance, when I visited Pokhara, I spent time near the Fewa Lake, enjoyed boating and whatever Jobi waterfalls and the viewpoints, which actually made the trip very memorable. In the future, I would like to visit again and spend more time exploring the nature और द नियर बाय ट्रैकिंग एरियाज. आप प्लेस के बारे में तो कितनी सारी वोकैबलरी ऐड कर सकते हो. इट्स अ वेकेशन, राइट? आपकी विजिट है तो यू कैन टॉक मोर अबाउट इट. नाउ आई एम जस्ट गिविंग यू समथिंग विच यू कैन use as a linkers. Starting के लिए, like to begin your in the past to begin with. Then present, just pick one. Nowadays बोलना है या at present, in the past बोलना है या to begin with. For examples, for instance, in the future, you can use any linking word to start your cue card. Now I'm giving one more cue card topic and you have to frame ideas for this. A peaceful temple you like to visit. Yes. You have to talk about any peaceful temple. It can be a temple, it can be a gurdwara, basically a spiritual place. Yes, who would like to speak first? Yes, Rahul, can you speak?
Ma'am, give some time.
First think about a place कि आपको वो कौन सा peaceful temple लगता है. Then try to generate your ideas. First, you have to decide. Yes, Harpreet, are you ready?
Okay, yes, ma'am.
Start with the past.
In my childhood,
Hmm.
in my past childhood, I wish to go to a good Hemkund Sahib Gurdwara. It is located in Dehradun. So,
Yes, go ahead.
when I saw the pictures and then when I was listening the Gurbani from Hemkund Sahib, then I wanted to really very wish to go there, and then in the present I want to go with my family, with the friends, because it is very peaceful place, and then also we can listen Gurbani at there. Um, we can we can meditation at there. Uh, enough, for example, if you go there, then you can feel relaxed. You can saw the peaceful area, and then also snow, hills, mountains. So in the future, if I want to go with there, then I definitely I'll go with my family, because it is very uh, peaceful, and then also
So one spiritual place that gives me a deep
spiritual.
sense of peace is Hemkund Sahib. My admiration for this place begins years ago when I learned about what is the spiritual importance. And when I saw the images of Gurdwara surrounded by this Gurdwara is actually snow covered, right? बहुत
Yes.
snow होती है ना यहाँ पे, yeah, I
हाँ
remember.
जी, हाँ जी.
So even now, this place attracts me deeply because of the silence, the purity, and the spiritual atmosphere. आपने पास्ट का बताया कि कैसे,
हाँ
क्यों
जी.
आपने कब स्टार्ट करा इस प्लेस को लाइक करना, इस पीसफुल टेम्पल को लाइक करना. यू टॉक्ड अबाउट पास्ट. प्रेजेंट बताया कि अभी भी ये मुझे बहुत ज्यादा अट्रैक्ट करता है डीपली, लाइक स्पिरिचुअली. Whenever I feel mentally tired, just thinking about Hemkund Sahib makes me feel calm and positive. For example, when I visited Gurdwara, the journey itself felt meaningful. Cold weather, quiet lake, the sound of prayers. It created a powerful sense of devotion, and I can do meditation also, right?
Meditation.
और ट्रैकिंग भी है वहां पर, right? So
हाँ
you
जी,
feel
हाँ
very
जी.
refreshed and spiritually strong once you reach the Gurdwara. In the future
Gurdwara.
also, I would like to visit again and spend some more time in prayer and meditation. I like this place because it's beautifully connected, or it combines the natural beauty with spirituality, which
Spirituality.
gives you the inner peace, the inner strength. ओके.
Strength.
सो कोई भी टेम्पल की
Spirituality.
बात कर सकते हो आप. इट कैन बी एनी टेम्पल, एनी गुरुद्वारा, जो भी प्लेस आपको लगता है. इट शुड बी अ पीसफुल वन, राइट?
Yes, ma'am. Thank
क्लियर
you, ma'am.
एवरीवन? नो प्रॉब्लम. नाउ टेल मी एनी डाउट विद एनी ऑफ द टॉपिक, चाहे आपके पास प्लेस बेस्ड आ जाए, पर्सन बेस्ड आ जाए. यस. आर यू एबल टू नाउ स्पीक फॉर योर क्यू का टॉपिक्स? पास्ट बेस्ड भी हमने कल करा था, रिमेंबर? Is it easier now for you to speak? Yes, please tell me.
Yes, ma'am. Because we can speak different type of tenses.
Yes. Just use different. Now, what? See, when we talk about past, present, future, we are actually showing the variety of tenses. I would like to. We are talking in the future tense. हम past भी use
Yeah.
कर रहे हैं, present भी कर रहे हैं, future भी कर रहे हैं. That means we are using the variety of tenses, and we are showing examiner the variety of sentences also. Tenses भी होते हैं और sentences भी होते हैं. तो we are using them both.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
सो मेक श्योर दैट वेन एवर यू प्रैक्टिस, कभी भी आपको प्रैक्टिस करनी है, रिमेंबर वन थिंग कि फ्लुएंसी कब आती है, जब आप उस स्ट्रक्चर को प्रैक्टिस करते हो, राइट? अगर आज 30 सेकेंड्स भी आप बोल पा रहे हो किसी भी टॉपिक पे, आई वुड से कि एक पास या प्रेजेंट पे भी बोल पा रहे हो, तो कल आप 2 मिनट्स भी बोल पाओगे. यू आर एक्चुअली रेडी फॉर योर आइल्स स्पीकिंग टेस्ट, बट डू अ कंसिस्टेंट प्रैक्टिस. ये जो मेथड है ना कि पास्ट, प्रेजेंट, एग्जाम्पल एंड फ्यूचर, जब आप इसे प्रैक्टिस करना स्टार्ट करोगे, आई वुड से कि नॉट ओनली इन द आइल्स स्पीकिंग, आपके पास कुछ भी आ जाए, कोई भी चीज, लाइक एनीवेयर यू कैन टॉक अबाउट इट. आपके सामने अगर एक
Yes, ma'am.
लैपटॉप भी पड़ा है, एक फोन भी पड़ा है, देन यू कैन टॉक अबाउट इट. आप उसे डिस्क्राइब कर सकते हो, उसे बोल सकते हो, राइट? सो इट्स इजियर फॉर यू कि आपके पास कोई भी टॉपिक आया एंड यू कैन टॉक अबाउट इट. ये तो बहुत इजी हो जाएगा आपके लिए. बट वर्क ऑन योर ग्रामर पार्ट, कि हमारे ग्रामेटिकल एरर्स नहीं होने चाहिए. क्योंकि अगर आपने एग्जाम में 2 मिनट बोल भी लिया बट उसमें ग्रामेटिकल एरर्स इतने ज्यादा हो गए, आपकी फ्लुएंसी नहीं दिखी, प्रोनाउंसिएशन नहीं दिखी, तो अगेन यू विल सेटल फॉर 6, विच इज नॉट आवर टारगेट. हमारा टारगेट 6 बिल्कुल भी नहीं है, हम एवरेज पे नहीं जाएंगे. वील टारगेट फॉर मोर देन 7. रिमेंबर?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I have exam next week at 6.
6th of Feb.
Yeah.
Most probably I'll be on off for.
Last time I got 6.5. I have mostly issue with the grammar.
Okay, no problem. आप पुराने कोर्स में there are some sessions related to grammar, complex
Yes.
sentences and all. आप प्लीज उसे चेक करना. और जो पैराफ्रेजिंग के सेशंस है ना रीडिंग में, आई गेस
Yes, ma'am.
इन द राइटिंग सेशंस में मैंने पैराफ्रेजिंग कराई थी, तो वो वाले सेशन, 3 सेशन है पैराफ्रेजिंग के, उसमें कंप्लीट ग्रामर ही है, तो वो
Okay,
जरूर
ma'am.
करना. Because you have
Okay, ma'am.
less time for your exam anyhow, we are not able to complete the speaking module in this entire week. Abhi to
Yeah.
it will be like next week, the whole week will be for the speaking part 3. Yes.
Yeah.
Abhi tomorrow is Friday na, so tomorrow I'll cover this abstract topics, difficult wale cue cards. Then on Monday I'll be taking the speaking part 2 ka mock test. That means I'm going
Monday.
to give you any cue card, not more than 1 minute, and each student will be speaking on a different topic, not on the same topics. जैसे अभी तो हम लोग प्रैक्टिस करते हैं ना सेम टॉपिक पे, सो दैट आप लोगों को आइडियाज भी जनरेट हो जाते हैं कि हाँ इसने ये बोला, आई कैन टॉक अबाउट इन द सेम वे. तो ऐसा नहीं होगा. मंडे को आई विल बी टेकिंग द पार्ट 2 मॉक टेस्ट, विच इज each one of you will be having the different cue cards. And then next week will be whole for the speaking part 3, कि आप स्पीकिंग पार्ट 3 में कैसे आंसर करने वाले हो. सो आई होप अगर आपका एग्जाम ज्योति 6th को है, सो नेक्स्ट वीक यू कैन प्रिपेयर फॉर पार्ट 3. आप पार्ट 3
Yes,
प्रिपेयर
ma'am.
कर सकते हो, राइट? तो आपका
Yeah.
स्पीकिंग तो एंटायर हो ही जाएगा.
Yes,
बट
ma'am. I
राइटिंग
hope.
एंड रीडिंग के लिए यू कैन वॉच आवर वीडियोस. लास्ट वाला
Writing last time I got to 7,
हम्म
but now I attempted for my computer-based exam, so I get 6.5. Mainly when prepare for I write do my writing, then I also got like on Chat GPT they are showing subject verb problem and articles.
What you can do is
Grammar.
whenever you do your writing ना, just submit on the application writing test by an examiner. जैसे आपका स्पीकिंग होता है ना टेस्ट विद एन एग्जामिनर,
Yes, ma'am.
ऐसे राइटिंग भी विद एन एग्जामिनर है. तो आप वहां पे अपनी
Ma'am,
राइटिंग को
when
सबमिट.
can we like book the session for speaking on Saturday or Sunday?
No, Saturday, Sundays, no. We have a holiday.
Okay.
So
Okay,
not
okay.
possible Saturday. Monday to Friday, you can book any slot with us. Not the 9 to 10 because there will be no slots for 9 to 10, but after that you can.
Okay, ma'am.
You can check your speaking and even I would say you can check your writing also.
Yeah, ma'am.
But
Thank you.
always book your speaking test at least 3-4 days before your exam. अगर सपोज आपका एग्जाम 6th of Feb का है, सो आई वुड सजेस्ट यू आप 2nd या 3rd में ही बुक करना स्पीकिंग टेस्ट, नॉट ऑन द 5th, राइट?
Okay, ma'am.
सो दैट
Yeah.
जो भी फीडबैक मिलती है यू कैन इम्प्रूव ऑन दैट.
Yes, ma'am.
ओके Okay. Any other doubt? Any other
Ma'am, can
queries?
I ask one question?
Yes, please. Yes.
Ma'am, what's about complex sentences?
Yes, that is what I said. देखो, complex sentences is a very vast topic which I want to cover in an entire session. Not in 10 to 15 minutes. तभी मैंने beginning में only simple and compound कराया है. So once we complete our this speaking का part 3, I will be beginning with the writing section first because it's very vast. लास्ट वाले कोर्स में भी आई गेस मैंने 14 से 15 क्लासेस कराई थी राइटिंग की, तो दिस टाइम आई गेस इट विल बी मोर इन डेप्थ. सो यू विल कम टू नो अबाउट कि कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंसेस होते क्या है, कैसे आपको राइटिंग में यूज करना है एंड कैसे आपको स्पीकिंग में भी यूज कर सकते हो. ओके, सो डोंट वरी अबाउट इट. जब हम सबऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजक्शंस को यूज करते हैं ऑल दो एंड बट ये सारी कंजक्शंस मैं आपको कराऊंगी, देन यू विल कम टू नो कि कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंसेस हम बनाते कैसे. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Any other doubt? Any other query?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, how to improve my grammatical mistakes?
You
Any
have to
idea?
work hard on your grammar, Rahul. Whenever you पहले तो सारी grammar पढ़ो. Look for
Ma'am,
tenses and sentence structure.
Okay.
तभी ग्रामर इंप्रूव हो पाएगी. जब बोलते हो जस्ट लुक कि कौन सा टेंस बोल रहे हो, कौन सी ग्रामेटिकल एरर आ रहा है यहाँ पर, चेक करो उसे. आर्टिकल्स मिसिंग है, कंजक्शंस मिसिंग है, या आप टेंसेस में प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट करते हो. मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम इट इज टेंसेस, है ना.
Yes, ma'am.
मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम आई ऑब्जर्व कि आपके टेंसेस गलत होते हैं, तो उस पे वर्क करो. जस्ट लुक फॉर. अभी देखो, क्योंकि वन ऑन वन तो मैं नहीं करा सकती सबको कि आपको ग्रामर में प्रॉब्लम है तो मैं पूरा सेशन ग्रामर करा दूं. वी कैन नॉट डू दैट बिकॉज इट्स अ करिकुलम गोइंग ऑन. बट इस बार जो करिकुलम बनाया है वो सिर्फ ये नहीं कि आइल्स के टॉपिक्स कवर हो, मेन इज द ग्रामर पार्ट. अगर आप लोगों की ग्रामर क्लियर नहीं होंगी, सारी चीजें नहीं आपको समझ आएंगी कि कैसे आपको बोलना है, तो हाउ यू गोना स्पीक. अभी तो स्पीकिंग भी बहुत वास्ट आएगा. अभी तो इट्स आई एम जस्ट टेलिंग यू अबाउट द कि हाँ पार्ट 1 क्या है, पार्ट 2 क्या है, पार्ट 3 में आपको बोलना क्या है. बट वेन इट कम्स टू, क्योंकि स्पीकिंग में अभी मुझे ईडीएम्स भी कराने हैं, कॉलोकेशंस भी कराने हैं, तो इट्स अ कंबाइन ऑफ बोथ. राइटिंग और स्पीकिंग थोड़ा सा कंबाइन इसलिए हो जाता है ग्रामर के पार्ट से. ओके,
Okay.
तो डोंट वरी. दैट इज व्हाई आई सेड कि अगर आप लोग अभी एग्जाम बुक करने वाले हो तो अभी मत करना. जस्ट कंप्लीट दिस एंटायर कोर्स एंड देन यू कैन बुक योर एग्जाम. ओके.
Ma'am, I already booked
Ma'am,
my exam on 12th of February.
12th of February. So you
Yes,
have
ma'am.
12 days. No problem.
Ma'am, I am also booked my exam on 21st February.
21st of Feb. So ठीक है. We will be covering some of the writing part. But till then, what you all can do is, if you are in a hurry, like अगर आपका 1 week में या 10 days में एग्जाम है, you can rewatch the videos. जो लास्ट कोर्स हुआ है
Yes, ma'am,
उसमें
I
से
do
वीडियोस
all.
उठा के, यस यू कैन वॉच ऑल दोज वीडियोस. कुछ लाइक अभी जल्दी में तो आई कांट कवर. ऑब्वियसली जिसका एग्जाम 2 महीने बाद है वो तो स्टार्टिंग से इस सेशंस को ज्वाइन कर रहा है ना. सो आई कांट ऑल्टर दिस कोर्स कि आज मैं ये करा दूं, आज मैं ये करा दूं. दिस अ करिकुलम विच वी फॉलो. बट जिसको इमीडिएट रिजल्ट्स चाहिए तो वो लास्ट वाला कोर्स देख सकते हैं. अदरवाइज आई वुड से बी रेगुलर इन द क्लासेस. जितना ज्यादा आप क्लासेस में रेगुलर रहोगे उतना ज्यादा आपका इवैल्यूएशन होगा, वेदर इट्स योर राइटिंग, वेदर इट्स योर स्पीकिंग. अभी आप लोग जब राइटिंग करोगे देन यू विल कम टू नो कि एक एक सेंटेंस हम लिखते कैसे हैं, तो उसमें भी आपका रेगुलर इवैल्यूएशन चलता है. आई गेस राहुल वॉज देयर इन द लास्ट कोर्स, है ना राहुल? आप तो थे
Yes,
नवंबर
ma'am.
दिसंबर वाले कोर्स में, सो यू नो कि हमने राइटिंग कैसे करी है.
And ma'am, I already watched your previous video
यस,
in recorded section.
तो आप रिकॉर्डेड क्लासेस को देखो इफ योर एग्जाम्स. सो सॉरी बट आई कांट हेल्प यू विद दिस कि मैं जल्दी से राइटिंग करा दूं या कोई भी एक टॉपिक बीच में से उठा दूं, विच इज नॉट पॉसिबल फॉर मी, राइट.
Yes,
बट
ma'am.
डेफिनेटली अगर किसी पर्टिकुलर में होगा तो 10-15 मिनट्स आई कैन टेक इट. लाइक जैसे कल मनीष का, आज आई गेस ही हैज स्पीकिंग सो ही हैज नॉट ज्वाइंड. सो पार्ट 3 में ही वॉज इन अ लिटिल नीड ऑफ हेल्प, सो आई हेल्प्ड हिम आउट. ओके.
ma'am,
यस कुमार.
I have a speaking test tomorrow, but I need 6.5, but I feel little bit nervous.
डोंट बी नर्वस. जस्ट ट्रीट इट कि कॉन्वर्सेशन चल रही है, एग्जामिनर नहीं है सामने, कोई फ्रेंड है और आंसर देना. ओके, डोंट डोंट गेट नर्वस प्लीज. कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल बिल्कुल भी डाउन नहीं होना चाहिए, हेजिटेशन तो बिल्कुल नहीं आनी चाहिए. ओके.
Okay.
Okay, then
Ma'am,
see you. Yes, 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 please.
could you help me for speaking just like overall in part 3 or part 2 overall, like studies,
So what I
person like
said,
Manish?
आज का दिन you can watch our previous videos. आप recorded classes में जाके part 2 तो आप कर ही रहे हो 2 दिन से, part 3 की वीडियो भी देख लेना. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, then time for me to go. Bye. Take care, all of you. See you all tomorrow.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. Bye.